wondered if there was a lot more stuff to do with your Nintendo 3DS than what it was shown to you. If so, you're in luck because I will be showing you how to do all that stuff that was not shown on your Nintendo 3DS by modding it. And when you mod it, you can install custom background themes, you can install emulators from your computer and play them through your 3DS via emulation, you can download eShop content through the 8Shop, you can also watch YouTube and play online multiplayer with your friends as well. So if you are interested in would like to do all that, then follow along with me as I give you a step-by-step guide on how to mod your 3DS so you can be able to do all that. The first thing that you need to do to mod your Nintendo 3DS is to grab all of the physical materials that you need to mod it. Physical materials that you need for this are a Nintendo 3DS, a Phillips head screwdriver, a USB SD card reader, a 32 gigabyte SD card, and a SD card slot. And also a computer, which can be a PC, laptop, or anything. So that's all the physical materials that you need to do this. So the next thing that you need to do in order to mod your Nintendo 3DS is to make sure your 3DS is up to date and it's connected to the internet. So to do that, turn on, and then when you're there, go to System Settings, click on it. And right here, to connect your internet, go to Internet Settings, Connection Settings, New Connection, go to Manual Setup, search for Access Point. It says that. Find the name of your Wi-Fi, and then when you click on it, put in your password, connect, and then you should be successfully connected to the internet. And then to update it, make sure it's updated to version 11.17.0-50U. So to do that, go to Other Settings, go all the way down to 5, go to System Update, click OK. Click OK if you already connected to the internet, but if not, then connect to the internet first. Click I accept, OK, and then if your 3DS is in low battery, make sure that it's plugged into a charger or wait until it's fully charged. So when you click Update, it says, and then boom, you should be done. You can now turn it off. You need to go to the search bar and type in this in all lowercase in all lowercase HTTPS, and then use this thing with the 2 dots in front, and then do // so just the slashes, 3ds dot HACKS dot GUIDE slash, so again with a slash, installing INSTALLING dash boot BOOT9 and strap STRAP dash close parenthesis MSET, so MSET 9 dash CLI. So once you type and then close parenthesis, once you type in that link, click enter, and then it should guide you to the 3ds.hacks.guide website and to the installing Bootstrap area. So to do this, so the next step you need to do is go to MSET 9, click right here to this download link. It should give you the zip file you need to do this. Put it right here. Go to the zip file. Extract it. Can now delete this here because now you have this. Click it right here. All this right here to the root of your SD card. Once that's done, you can once that's done, you are all good with your steps. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do in order to go on to the next steps to mod your Nintendo 3DS is to go to Python, and we're going to install it. So I already have it installed, but I'll redo it just to show an example. Launch Python, click Y, enter, and turn that off. And then once you get to here, you're all good. And the reason why I'm already here is because I've already installed it and I've already did it. But basically, you would just go to the Python install manager, you would click install, and then you would open it, and then you would click yes, and then it should take you to another area. You click yes again, and then you keep on clicking yes until you get to here. And what I mean by clicking yes is you click Y. So once you do that and you get to here, you're all good. So since now that we have Python, I am going to go down to MSet Windows, MSet 9 Windows. It should take you here. Now you should see a section of numbers. The first thing to press enter 2. Okay, and then now we need to click 1 to create MSet 9 ID 1. I click 1 again, and then I can press enter to exit. Once I get that done, I can... So the next thing to do is to turn on your Nintendo 3DS. And then once you get to the home, when you get to the home menu screen, go to the Mii Maker app. Click on it. And mine has already been done because I did this process, but if you see a loading data, it means you're ready to go. If you see a loading screen, like it opens up and it's loading, it means you're ready to go. So go to System Settings, go to Data Management, in the 3DS software, and then click on Reset. After that, go back. Worked perfectly and smoothly, and that you don't need to go back and do anything else, and that you're ready to do the next steps. And it confirms that custom firmware is already in your SD card and in your 3DS. And that the process has begun and everything is already in there. So now, next thing you need to do now is to go to MSet Windows 9. Click on that. Click on the same number as you did before, so mine would be 2. And then when it says ready, you're all good to go, so now you can press 0 to exit. Perfect. And now you can take everything off, turn this off, already be in System Settings. Now I will show you the next step. Alright, so the next thing to do is when you turn on the home screen, it automatically takes you here to system settings. Click on the app. Go to data management, 3DS, go to extra data, and then this part is super important to follow. Do not press any buttons, do not turn it off, but do this. Leave it on and don't press. Go to your folder, to USB drive, to MSET Windows 9. Click on the number that you did before for the first one. And for this one, we're going to click 3 to inject trigger file. Yep, so now we can press enter to go. Alright, so the next step now is when you finally get to here, you should see a screen with white, green, and purple text. So, to proceed, you gotta do this specific combo for buttons, which is D-pad right, D-pad down, D-pad left, D-pad up, and then A. D-pad right, D-pad down, D-pad left, D-pad up, and A. Alright, when things are successful, press A to continue. It should be the Luma configuration screen. Go to save and exit. Okay, now the next step that you need to do is to hold the select button while turning on the 3DS. Turn it on, hold select, and you should be to the Luma configuration screen. You should be to this screen with blue, white, and red text. And yellow text. This is the Luma configuration screen. So, once you're there, it means you have done everything successfully, so this is just to confirm that you did everything successfully. So now you can press save and exit. Once you're now in the home menu screen, press the L button, D-pad down, then select. It should take you right here. Go to miscellaneous, then go to DUP DMS firmware. And when it says this, you're all good. So once that's done, you can turn it off. And now we'll get on to the next. Okay, so now hold the X button while turning this on. Should be right on to God mode. Go to scripts, press the home menu button, and so hold X while turning it on. It should take you right to this screen. Press the home menu button to unlock scripts. Go here, press A. And next part is going to take about 15 minutes to do. So it'll be a while. So press A, and then this code, D-pad left, D-pad down, D-pad right, D-pad left, and then A. Surprisingly, it's not taking that long. Now this one's probably going to take a bit, so I'm going to be back when this is done. It is in case, and this will give you all the source material to do. It will give you all the sources and all the material on what to do in case your 3DS gets bricked. So, what you want to do is let's go right here. Backups. And what you want to do is go to here, go to backups, and copy this to your delete the old backups file and then put in the new saved one right in, so you can easily replace it and you can repeat the same steps over and over. So like if your 3DS gets broken bricked, take off your SD card from your 3DS and turn it off, put it into your put the SD card into your laptop, go right here, delete the old backups file, and then put the new and saved one in, and then you can put it back into your 3DS and it should work successfully, and you can repeat the same steps. So since I have this, so now delete so now when you're on GM9, then to backups, delete these two things, and then rename the new one you probably don't need to rename it. It's actually fun as it is. Don't need to worry. But anyways, after you did that, you should see some items. And once you do that, you had now successfully just modded your Nintendo 3DS. Congratulations. So now you can downloading custom themes, watching YouTube, downloading eShop content, playing retro games through emulator, and playing online with your friends. Unfortunately, I am not allowed to be showing you that stuff, but you should definitely go look up on some sources and watch some YouTube videos on how to do that. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. One more thing. So, unless you want to get to the Luma configuration screen, you would press start and hold power. Actually, no, you would get to the Gmod screen if you hold start and press power on. Anyways, if you hold L down and select, you'll be right to here. And that's all. Alright, you successfully just modded your 3DS. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day.